Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to find the hidden post on Facebook. Now to find the hidden post on Facebook, you just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Facebook app on your device. So if you have not installed the Facebook app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. And after that, you just need to open the Facebook. So the step depends on whether the post was hidden from a timeline by you or from others. So to find them, you just need to click on the option of your profile. So click on the option of menu, and from here click on the option of your name at the very top, and click on the option of three dots next to it, and here you'll see the option of follow settings, profile status, and all of it. So scroll down until you see the option of activity log and click on it, and from here you'll see the option of public post, public tags, live comments, live videos, and all of it. So from here scroll to the very left side, and here you'll see the various numbers of options. So you just need to find the option which says your post, timeline, photos, or tag review. So click on the option of this, and here you'll see the number of your post and the videos which you have done on your timeline. And if you click on the option of filter, here you'll see the option of categories, date, audience, people, and all of it. So click on the option of audience. So in the post section of the page, you'll see the option of archive, recycle bin, and your post, photos, and videos, and you'll see the option of public. So if you click on the option of public, then you'll see the number of posts which you have set from the public group and all of it. And if you click on the option of your post and videos, you'll be able to see the number of posts or the videos which you have done on your Facebook, and you'll also see the videos or the post which you have watched from it. And if you want to find the hidden post, click on the option of filter at the very top left, and click on the option of audience, and you may simply select it from public to private, and you'll be able to find the hidden post or the private post on a Facebook account. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.